If you're following our litters and want to know how the first litter is doing, this is She-Devil's litter. When it's cold outside, we have to prepare our bedding for our dogs in order to keep them warm and safe. This is a process that I do with my puppies and my dogs. I try to fill every corner that I can with the hay. I like to call those corners pockets, and kind of put the puppies in the middle and build a wall in the front door. And I don't want the puppies to be up under the hay. I want to make everything seem like their setting was normal, or a bedding nest that their mother would have made for them or prepared for them before their arrival. I didn't expect the cold to come here in Florida, but it did. The great thing about hay is the mother doesn't have to work so hard to clean up urine and feces. It can go down into the hay up under it, and the top of the hay will still be dry. This is Anchor's litter. Anchor had a large litter as normally expected, and it was time to go in there and make bedding for her puppies as well. She's a pro, I want to say, when it comes to taking care of puppies, and you'll see here where she helps me lay out the bedding because she knows she needed it for her nest as well with such a large litter.
It's cryptic on the beat.
It's our job to take care of our furry pet pal friends. Of course, especially when we have them caged and they can't do it for themselves. In the end, it's all about animal care and control. So as we control them, we should care for them. If you're looking for puppies, don't hesitate to pick up the phone and dial 904-450-3339. We're VanguardK9.com, your leaders with some of the world's greatest working puppies. And of course, you, the world's greatest working friends. Job done.